everybody and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today we're going to be making Play-Doh hot dogs. You can see I've got two delicious hot dogs here. This one has got some yummy mustard on it. What happens when we break it apart? What do we find inside? A vampire minion! And a bellwether. Why, hello! This one has some delicious tomatoes and some fries. Let's see what we can find inside. We've got George from Peppa Pig. And a Woody.
Hello!
Well, hi there, little fella. Here's a small hot dog with some ketchup on it. What's inside of here? It's Twilight Sparkle. It's Twilight Sparkle.
Well, hello everybody.
Nice to see you, Miss Sparkle.
Hello.
Hi, everybody. Nice to meet you. Yeah.
Let's play. I really like dinosaurs, but I also really like hot dogs.
Me too. What's your favorite hot dog topping?
I like crispy onions.
Good choice.
Well, actually, I rather prefer mustard. Mustard. Yeah.
Guys, you're all wrong, partners. The best hot dog flavor is ketchup.
Oh, really? Is it?
Hot dog. Oh no, this little fella's trying to steal our hot dogs.
Oh no! What will we do? Save us!
I gotcha. Come right here. There you go. It's okay, folks. Woody saved the day.
Hooray! Yay!
Hurrah! Now let's ride into the sunset. Yeehaw!
That was fun.
Now let's learn how to make our delicious Play-Doh hot dogs. So, you're going to need Play-Doh in lots of different colours. Take a toy and then take the Play-Doh that will make your sausage. Flatten the Play-Doh out and wrap the toy inside. Form the Play-Doh into a sausage shape. Next, let's make the bread. Use some brown Play-Doh and form it into a bread bun shape. Put the sausage in the bun. Now let's make some lettuce. Use some white for the stalk and then roll it out. You can use a stick to press the leaf into shape. You can use a knife to cut out another leaf. Be very careful when using a knife and get an adult to help you. Use a stick to make the detail on the leaf. And repeat to make another leaf. Now let's make some ketchup. Roll out some red Play-Doh into a long, thin sausage shape. And roll some yellow Play-Doh flat. Using the knife, cut out a triangle to make some cheese. Place the cheese on top of the hot dog. And curl the ketchup into a zigzag shape. And there you have it, a delicious hot dog. Today you've learned how to make Play-Doh hot dogs. Please come back and watch some more videos soon, and we'll see you next time.